So this is directions on how to turn in the link to this Google document. So the cool thing about a link is once you turn it in, you can still edit it and you don't have to resubmit it. So I want you to be able to turn in a link for two reasons. One, I want to be able to send this link to your parents, and I also want to put it, so I'm going to put it in Skyward so your parents can look at this. Two, I want to be able to comment on your goals. So you're going to click here, share. And then right here, it's going to say get link and it says restricted or something like that. So you're going to click change. And then I actually want it to be anyone with the link can view. So you click that. And then I want to be able to comment. So you're going to click commenter. And then you're going to click copy link. And then you're going to come over to Canvas, which right here. You click submit, which should be right here, and then you're going to paste the link. So, for example, you just go wherever you need to paste the link, which is in Canvas, you're going to go like this and paste. And then I have the link, and then all I do is I click on it, and then I can be like, oh, and it will let me comment. Hold on, waiting for it. Well, it will let me comment when it loads. This little thing is going to go weird. It'll let me comment. So then I can comment on it and leave you comments on your goals. And this will be a great way to check in with you as well. And so then we have a record of your goals. Okay, so thanks for doing that. See ya.